Good morning, children. In the last class, we saw Unit 5. In that, we saw months of the year and weeks of days, time we saw, then days of the weeks we saw in the last class. Unit 5. Now we are going to see Unit 6, Information Processing. Information processing means what? They used to give some pictures or data or any route they used to give. In that we should collect some information. That is information process. Children, take page number 65. All of you take, children. Page number 65. Information Processing Unit 6 in the systematic listing. Okay, see travel through. Arun wants to reach the school from his house. One way is shown for you. List down all other possible ways. See here, some picture is given. By giving this picture, they are giving us some information. Okay, see here. House is given here. Arun's house, this one Arun's school. Okay, there are routes, many way go to school. One way they have given you. See here, the small dot is given, no, white color route. They have given the one way. So you are going to find the other ways how he can go to the school. See here. See, he can go by this way also. See here. Listen, children. See here. This is the shortest way. Straight, one route is coming or road is coming. See here, to the school. Otherwise, this is one way. The other way is by the hospital way also he can come. See here, this route. This distance is little bit longer distance. Okay, by the hospital way also he can come. Come by this way. So, two route is there. From house to school. Okay, children, you draw there. Then next we are going to see here possible ways of pairing. See here, they have given possible ways. Red is given. Red skirt and blue skirt is given. For that, shirt is green and yellow. How they can wear? How many possible ways is there? We are going to see now. See here, two trouser is given here. Two shorts. Okay. Next one is in blue in color. Then shirt, green color shirt. Another one is yellow color shirt. See here, how many ways you can pair it? See here, one green color shirt. 4 ways we can do. See here, for this we can pair this one. For this we can pair this one. Then for this we can pair this. For this we can pair this. In 4 ways we can wear this shirt. How? See here. See here, blue color. Okay. For this blue color, green color shirt we can wear. Green color. Shirt. Same blue color for blue. For blue shorts, we can wear yellow shirt. Then for red color trouser we can wear. Again red color trouser. We can wear, see here, green shirt and yellow shirt. In 4 ways we can wear, possible ways. Okay children, green color, then again yellow color shirt. Four possible ways we can wear this 2 trouser and 2 shirt. Okay, understand children? See here, way 1, way 2, way 3, way 4. Understand children? See here, next one is given, find all the possible ways for arranging a pair of cups among the 4 cups. 4 cups is given here, 1 way and 2 way is given here. Purple and green color cups are given. Same page number only. See here. Four cups. Then another one is green color cup. Green and purple. Then again see here. One way, this is one way. This is way 1, way 2. Then again two green, we can arrange it. 2 green, then 2 blue. This is another possible way. Way 3, way 4. Okay children, we can arrange by this way. 1 purple, 1 green, another purple, green. Here green will come, here blue will come. This is way 2. Then same color, green color another way, then blue color another way. 2 ways. Totally 4 possible ways we can arrange it. See here, selection. Now 6.2 is selection. We are going to select. Six point two is selection. We are going to select. Okay. See here, page number 67. Take page number 67. Fruit is given here, custard apple is given here, 4 custard apple is given and 2 basket. See here, 4 custard apple. Okay, 4 apple and 2 basket is given. In that 2 they have placed. How many fruits they have placed? 2 fruits they have placed. Number of fruits in one basket, nothing. Okay, see here, way 1. Number of ways. Then number of fruits. See here, way 1, way 2, way 3, way 4, way 5. See here. Basket 1, basket 2. Okay children, see here. In one basket we can arrange nothing in that. In another basket 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 0 here, here 4. In the same way, in another way இன்னொரு வழி எப்படி பண்ணலாம்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Then 1 fruit in one basket and 3 fruit in another basket. Okay, இன்னொரு மாதிரி way 3. How? 2 fruit in one basket and another 2 fruit in another basket. Okay, way 4. 3 fruit in first basket and 1 fruit in second basket. Okay, way 5. 4 in one basket and nothing in another basket. Like this we can arrange the fruits in 2 baskets. Okay children, then this is selection. We are going to select in how many basket, how we are going to put how many fruits. That is called selection. Now we are going to see in the same way we are going to see the flowers, and 2 pots is given. In one flower pot red flower is given, in another flower pot yellow flowers is given. We are going to now arrange. In how many ways we are going to arrange, we are going to see now. This is we are selecting. How many possible ways is there, how we can select? In how many ways? Okay, see here, pot is given. One flower pot is given. Okay, in that how many flowers is there? Count children. You count how many flowers is there in the red flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 you got? Yes, you are getting 10 red flowers. Then you count this yellow flowers. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers is there yellow color. Okay. See here. Red color flower. How many is there? 10 is there. Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only is there. So more 2 we need. 10 flowers is there. Okay. In another, how many flowers is there? What color? Yellow color. We are having 5 flowers. Yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We are going to arrange in many ways. See here. This is pot number 1. This is pot number 2. Okay, in page number 68. This one is page number 68. All of you take page number 68. See here, possible ways we are going to select. Then flower pot 1, flower pot 2. Total. Okay children, see here. How many ways is there total? 6 ways we are going to do. See here. Way 1, way 2, way 3, way 4, way 5, way 6. Okay children, see here. First 10 in one basket, then nothing. So total how many we are getting? 10 flowers we are getting. So in way 2 9 in 9 color, what color? Red color 9. Then 1 yellow. Okay, we are going to arranging in one basket. Okay, way 3. See, 8 red flower, then 2 yellow flower. So total 9 plus 1, take 9 fingers. See here, 9 fingers, then 1, 10, okay, 10. Then 8 fingers, take 8 fingers, then 2, 10 we are getting, 10. See here, in another way, 7 flower, 7 red, then 3 yellow color, then 10 we are getting, okay. Way 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red flower, then 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow color, 10. Then in red 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, red flower 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one 5. So 5, 5, 10 we got. So 6 possible ways, okay. 9 red flower, 1 yellow, 10. 8 red flower, 2 yellow flower, totally 10. Then 7 red flower, 3 yellow flower, so totally 10 we got. Like this we can arrange it, select it, okay. Then take page number 69, children. Come to page number 69. Just for understanding only, no book exercise, only book exercise, okay, just to understand and know how to select. Page number 69. Take all of you. See here, dolls are given here. Abhishek and his father visit a toy shop. Okay, his father promises to buy him toys. He answers the questions correctly. Can you help him? You try this one, children, homework. In the next class, I will teach you, okay. See here, toys are given here. How many toys? Teddy bear, see, speak out. Which toy is the most in number? How many is that item? See here, which toy is in more number? Teddy bear. Okay, write your answer. Okay, the question is there, no, you write in the side itself, teddy bear. And how many items? How many is that items? 10. So write in the question side 10. Then which toy is found to be least in the shop? See here, romba kammi member la edhu irukku? Only duck only is in small number. So write duck for second one. D-U-C-K, duck. Then for third question, can you place the rocket and lorry in the same shelf? Discuss, they are asking. Can you place it? See here, rocket is in height wise. Okay, lorry is in length wise. So you can't place it, okay. Any one only we can place. Both we can't place in same rack. See here, rocket and this truck. Okay, see here, no. Answer is no, you write down itself, no. Rocket places in lengthwise. We can't place it. Breadthwise. Okay, children. Till this we finish, children. Page number 69. Okay, rest we can continue in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you.